We are in cabin 5164. This is an ocean view accessible cabin. And as you see, you got a massive area right when you come in from the door. To this side is your closet. We've got some drawers, some shelves, safe. This does seem to be missing a handle.
It does.
So you got to push it there. And on this side, it's all hanging. You do have the pull down, which is nice. So if you're in a wheelchair or a scooter, you can pull that down and get you close. You do have 2 twin beds that can be either separated or you can put them together to be a king. The nightstands do move. From a power standpoint, there is only USB power. It is only on one side of the bed. You have 2 gigantic portholes. I feel this is like 2 cabins in one, really.
It does seem like it, doesn't it?
It's really big, or at least 1.5. Okay, across from the bed, you got a nice desk area with a little movable table and a bench, chair, mini bar, nice mirror here that lights up. There's some lights above. Then there's a TV on this side. You do have a nice big mirror if you want to, you know, show yourself off. And the hairdryer in the drawer. But this being accessible means you have a roll-in bathroom, which is also very big. So there, roll-in, right? 0 clearance. There's no step there, okay? Even though it says watch your step, there's no step there. There is a transfer bench, handbars everywhere to assist, okay? There's a panic button up here, a panic string, right? If you have an emergency, you can pull that. People come to aid you. There's also a button by the toilet as well, okay? The sink is high enough that you can roll up underneath with your chair as well. A couple shelves, soap dispenser, power, everything you need. We'll see you on the next one.